Hi everyone. Today I thought I would share a really quick St. Patrick's Day card. Not a lot of St. Patrick's Day stamps out there in the market, and Stampin' Up! Doesn't have, or at least I don't have, one of their clovers, little shamrocks. So I'm making my own, and it's not a 4-leaf clover, it's a 3. It's more of a true little shamrock. I have a shamrock plant on my kitchen window. Anyway, I thought I would show you how to make a quick heart shamrock, and you probably all have heart stamps laying around. I'm using Heart to Heart, which has a small little heart in it, and you can look through your stash and see what kind of hearts you have. It also has an open heart, which might be fun, and a small heart, and you can use those for a pretty background. And you can make a little background for some scrapbook paper about the St. Patrick's Day parade, or making soda bread. That's what my daughter and I do. Go to the parade and make soda bread. And anyway, I thought I would share really quickly how to do that. I also want to point out a couple other St. Patrick's Day things in our catalog if you didn't see them, because there's not like a set that says for St. Patrick's Day. And I wanted to point out a wish for everything. It has everything. Halloween, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, St. Patrick's Day, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, New Year's, Easter, birthday, anniversary, just about everything you can think of. And then it's got the word happy, so you can do happy or merry or whatever, and wishes and a little ampersand. And then there's inside words. So it's a big set. See, it comes in a 2-box set, and I'm using May the Luck of the Irish Go Double for You. Very cute. So I'm using that as my St. Patrick's Day stamp for the inside, and then I'm going to use the Happy St. Patrick's Day for this little flag here. And in the catalog, if you purchase them together with this die set, which is called Word Wishes, if you buy them together as a bundle, you save 10%. If you're a scrapbooker, this is a great die set because it has all those holidays I was talking about. It's got the word happy and day and merry, but then it also has Easter, Father's, Mother's, New Year's, Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving. I feel like I'm missing one. I probably am. I'm probably missing one. But anyway, there's a whole bunch here, and so you can use this for many occasions, and I've used it for many holidays, and for scrapbooking and card making. So buy those two as a bundle and save some here. See, it's a big size, and you can use that as a title on a page, or it's not too big that you can still put it on a card. So I've used it quite a few times, and here it is again on this little rainbow coins at the bottom. If you want to see how to make this little leprechaun man, he's kind of funny, I have a video on this card, and it shows you how to make the little leprechaun man. So you can check that out. And then right now we're going to make this one, which is fast and easy. I don't spend a lot of time. I mean, St. Patrick's Day is a nice holiday for us Irish folks, and it's fun for everyone actually. And but a lot of people don't send cards for it, so I don't want to make anything too elaborate. So this one is quick and fun, and so that's why I thought I would share it with you. And let's get started. I'm using Call Me Clover as my color. Perfect for this, right? And here's my little heart stamp. So what you're going to do is you're going to randomly stamp hearts kind of all over in little clusters of 3. And I always try to make sure that some go off the page, so it looks like I've cut up a piece of designer series paper. And you got them turning every which way. While I'm stamping these hearts, I want to tell you about Celebration. We're in the final month of Celebration. Sad. Celebration is an annual sale that Stampin' Up! Does every year at this time, and it's one where you can choose a free product from their special Celebration only catalog with every $50 purchase that you make. So that's a fun part, but my favorite part is gaining some team members. There's a great join deal during Celebration, and I hope that you'll check it out. I have a whole video separate just for the join deal, and I don't look too great in it. It's like an off day, but anyway, I made the video because the important part is the content. I want you to know about the deal. So now I'm just going to take my marker. Stampin' Up! Has a blend in Call Me Clover, and it also has a regular Stampin' Write marker. And you're just going to make little, that was a little long, Make little stems. Okay. Anyway, it's a great join deal. I hope that you'll check it out. There's a video for it. You can contact me with any questions. It's really awesome. I love gaining a team. And I think you will not dislike that awesome discount. You get a discount on all your purchases, and it's great. And if you end up, getting all the things you want, then drop, and you're done. But I think every year new things come out, so you might be tempted like me. I started out just for the discount, and here I am 15 years later, because new things come out, and I want to have them. There. So there's my May the Luck of the Irish go double for you. Close up this black. I've been stamping all day, and my fingers are so dirty. Okay, now I want to show you how I made these little heart shamrocks. There are so many different heart dies out there, and Stampin' Up! Has some great ones. There's the stitched hearts in the Be Mine set that are awesome. And I was going to use this little one here because he's cute, little stitching, but he was a little small for what I wanted. So then I was looking through my dies, and I found this one, which has a small and a larger heart die, and this is called the support ribbon die set, and it's nice because you can have these ribbons be in whatever color you need for whatever occasion, if it's breast cancer awareness or some other. We have a red ribbon that we do for heart awareness at the school, so I use that for ribbons in different colors all the time. And I cut out 3 little hearts and 3 big hearts for my card. So let me throw this inside before I lose it. Okay, now I cut out somewhere on my desk. Here it is, 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 square in Call Me Clover. Hope it's covering that whole entire shamrock. Bummer. Guess you can think it out a little bit when you're making your card. Okay, and then I cut out a frame with the layering squares framelit dies. Nice thing about being a demonstrator and getting a discount is that you can really expand your collection and get all these fun dies. There's so many, and you use them all the time. I remember when Stampin' Up! First came out with the embossing machine and all those little folders. I thought, really, do I need to do that? And now I don't think I make a card without die cutting something or embossing something. It's kind of funny. We like our toys, don't we? Anyway, I'm using some foam adhesive strips to get the frame a little bit off the page. Didn't quite go all the way around. I guess it doesn't have to go all the way around. It's not a shaker card, but it's cute. Would that be fun? Little shaker shamrocks in there. Okay, now I took my heart papers and folded them in half. Just the big ones. And then, out of a little scrap of that same paper, I just cut a quick little stem. I'm going to cut 2 because I have an inside one as well. Okay, and I'm going to just place that down with some of my liquid glue. Alright, now it's time to make the little Happy St. Patrick's Day flag, and I want to show you how I did that. I used my Stamparatus. I don't use this as much as a lot of people do. I like to just be kind of speedy, but when you're lining up these little words, it's perfect. And what you do is you practice on your little, you have this little grid paper and get it to where you love it, and then do the real one. Saves you messing up your nice paper too many times. And I'm just using my marker because it's small and these little stamps are small. There. I meant to flag these ends separately and then layer them so that the pennant end would also have two colors, but I forgot. So my white piece here is about an inch. It's an eighth of an inch smaller than an inch. So what is that? It's 7/8 of an inch. And then the green I did at an inch and an eighth. There is a punch to make this nice little tag here, this little end, and I should have grabbed it, and I was being quick. Okay. There we go. Oops, I gotta make that a little smaller. And then in the center here, I'm just going to add a cute little rhinestone. There you go. I hope you like it. I hope that you'll check out this fun little leprechaun and make some nice soda bread and go see a St. Patrick's Day parade coming up in just a couple weekends. Thanks for watching. Bye.